At the Creator International School, Khamgaon, a new model of learning is shaping the future of education. This STEM school model is built on one powerful framework, the Creator PBLTDLE, problem based learning with teaching by demonstrations and learning by experiments. Planned, conceived, and developed by a research scientist and astrophysicist from one of the country's top research institutes, this learning framework was created with one clear purpose: to make learning easy, lifelong, and meaningful for every student, so that they should be able to solve real life problems, a higher form of education, where learning becomes concept mastery, where understanding is built through daily investigations in concept labs, where problem solving becomes a daily routine discipline, training students in high level analytical and scientific thinking. No lectures, no chalk and talk, only labs. No rote learning, only investigations. This is India's new classroom, the Creator Concept Labs. Because every student carries a scientist within, PBLTDLE brings that scientist alive. It transforms every classroom into a concept lab, replaces chalk and talk with scientific demonstrations and experiments, elevates content delivery into concept mastery, evolves note-making into problem-solving, transforms passive sitting into active doing. Learning shifts from listening to investigations. Every classroom, right from senior KG, is full of scientific apparatus. More than 1,500 global standard scientific apparatus, including precision instruments, sensors, experimental kits, investigation tools from leading international suppliers in subjects of physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics, right from kindergarten, are integrated directly into everyday classroom teaching. The same standards are used in global education and research environments for STEM schools. From upper KG onwards, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics are taught not as subjects, but as experiences. Learning happens with apparatus in hand, not on the blackboard. From early years of kindergarten and from day one, every day, every period, students learn like scientists. Students don't memorize answers. They investigate to master the concepts and apply concepts to solve real-life open-ended problems every day. They investigate, they measure, they tabulate, they analyze, they calculate, they graph, they interpret, they conclude, they discover. No passive lectures, no rote learning, no blind memorization. Every idea is tested. Every concept is verified. Every answer is earned through evidence, observation, measurement, data recording, calculation, graphing, analysis, interpretation. Nothing is accepted without proof. Learning is measured daily, on the spot, at every step of concept building and problem solving. Growth is built and measured daily, with daily formative continuous assessment called FCA, and everyday report card is prepared in real time for real learning. With this PBLTDLE model in place, learning becomes easy, permanent, fast, and deeply understood. And most importantly, by each and every student, introvert or extrovert. No revision classes, no extra and outside tuitions, no dependency on memorization. Because learning is fully verified and 100% assured inside the classroom, every day, in every period. Because teacher is observing students perform experiments and solve problems independently. And, most importantly, the results speak for themselves. At the Creator International School Khamgaon, under the PBLTDLE framework, over last 15 years achieved 100% of students from the first two A-level, 12th grade batches received university admission offers with scholarships up to 100% from top universities in the USA and the UK. 3 students secured full scholarships just within the first 2 years of grade 12 from leading global universities. Students qualified NEET without any external coaching in the first attempt. Students achieved outstanding awards in the world's top American academic competitions: Advanced Placement (AP) in Physics and American Mathematics Competitions (AMC). In AMC alone, 8 out of 13 students of high school received the Outstanding Achievement Award, setting a benchmark of international excellence in mathematical problem solving. Received Top Cambridge Award (OCLA), Outstanding Cambridge Learner Award in the very first Cambridge Board Examinations 2021. About 1,500 gold medals, twice securing international rank 1 in the world's largest international Olympiads over the last decade, a golden decade for school. And 100% results in A-level science. This is not a school model. This is an education transformation. This is not a classroom. This is a concept lab. The Creator International School, Khamgaon, where students don't just learn science and mathematics, they become scientists.